Ladies and gentlemen, as a matter of be like this now, I want to carry the very beautiful, the original, not be our fake they fix sometimes, so now the original, all right? Very beautiful, very hot, very sexy, very every, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, make una help me, make welcome as I bring it to the studio, Cynthia Morgan! Hey! Hey! Welcome. Take a seat. Cheers.
Oh, shit.
These are man juice.
Yeah, company that make you burn a nigga.
Cynthia, just come set a small hair.
How are you?
Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
You say we go run pigeon, no?
Yeah,
you understand?
I didn't know.
Now, because of you, I go carry circle glass like this. I say, man, we must blend. We must blend.
We did together like blender. We'll blend like blender.
Exactly. We blend ourselves, they go.
No,
Cynthia, how far?
I did.
How the whole level now? German juice.
Oh, shit, baddest.
What it be German juice? I just want juice now.
I don't just.
So, German juice, because all the reason say come, this German juice, where they German juice. Why not get Africa juice, Nigerian juice, maybe Kenya juice, any other juice? Why be not German juice?
Tough question. Okay, Nigerian juice, but you know say anything will be German. You know say German machine.
Yeah.
You know when Germany go beat there like 7-0. Oh. German Shepherd.
Yeah.
So anything German, they solid.
Okay. Now the cocoa be that.
The German machine. So that's how like German juice.
German juice. German. Okay, talking that is German, but that this juice who call. What?
Everything juicy.
Since I like, see, don't they do this like this? Don't they talk to her thing? But German juice, beautiful song.
Thank you.
Beautiful song. And the video, Kasaya Bakaye.
Baddest.
Hey! The part where you say the girl with the pickets behind, wanting, you get one place for the video where I did one guy one day when they watch the video. As a man, they wear normal medicated glasses, so but when you see that part for the video, just like this.
Bomba!
I said your glass don't reach you again.
No,
but German juice, the video and everything. Say you go talk say Cynthia Morgan, now the girl will feel classified as bad girl.
Oh, she, in a way, yes, so. She be bad girl now.
Bad girl. Okay, talk about it. Talk
your boy, them skillachi. You know when Cynthia Morgan, they are never fire, can't cool.
Hey! I die! Hey! You go teach me this part because I want to learn now.
Okay.
Bumbleclad. What's it be bumbleclad?
No, I know.
No, because sometimes if they talk something we don't know, we don't hear it for.
Now, so one guy just slap one guy for ring road the other day, say, you, bumbleclad, say, what, go on? You know what bumbleclad mean? Oh,
take it.
Change it for them.
Change it for them.
Give them. Say, you know what you mean of bumbleclad.
Because some people know this.
They don't know the
meaning. They hear
actually, bumbleclad means sanitary pad.
Seriously?
So for you to call a brother bumbleclad, say a blood clot. So you mean?
Okay. Blood clot.
Yeah.
Blood clot. Bomb clot. Okay.
Say bomb clot.
Okay.
Bomb clot.
It has been revealed. I don't know before. Cynthia don't reveal it now. It's a bomb clot. Now bomb clot. Now so easy if you try for your life. Say you call me bomb clot. I will show you bomb clot. You will know that. I will change that for you. Seriously. What will be the issue? What's up with the red hair thing? Where it all is? Because I don't know for some time. I don't know this. Okay, now red hair things. Now Cynthia want to do. No. So you join the whole bad girl P and everything.
Everything on the page, just change it for them. You know, once in a while, it changes for them.
So tomorrow I'll
give them red. No. I'll be Brazilian.
Change it for them now.
No, but it's constant on the change. 2014, 2000 and change.
Okay.
So I just reason I said I change them for them with red hair.
Okay.
And everything blend. Everything, when you think about Cynthia Morgan, you go reason red hair. So a whole lot of people, they're actually embracing the stuff. Everybody wear red hair now. Once you wear red hair, say, hey, you want to change them now, you're taking it. Cynthia Morgan.
Yes.
So it's like now brand now, so like it's a strong brand.
But it fits you, Sha.
Oh, shit.
But not everybody they fit, too. So kind And break it like this. Oh.
Let me talk about.
No mention names. So anybody with a watch now carry ready here. We guilty conscience they worry you now. You know. Now you're guilty conscience. Not they say we no mention anybody name. No. Some people the way they fit. See Cynthia now packaging and everything. You're alright. You understand? But Cynthia you fine, shall. You just come with a glass, man. Just come with a glass.
Yeah.
I don't come.
No, come with your.
Just come.
I want to tell you, your glass is very nice. No, come with your.
Very nice, Abby. We exchange. Me and this one exchange. But what's up with the nose ring? Now also join the new packaging and the fresh packaging.
Everything join.
Serious. Any other piercing in any other place?
No.
Because me, you know, for like see.
No.
You understand? Just see.
Luku.
All right, but we'll get some pictures of you because here I can't go do some kind of findings and everything. Say okay, but before we show those pictures first, maybe we just get to know Cynthia more. You know, most people only see the bad girl and everything, and you know, maybe we just get to know Cynthia more. You understand?
Well, Cynthia Morgan, not Cynthia Morgan, and she's the original Kingston property star girl.
Una dey here. If you know here, una dey ask or send message, call Twitter.
So we keep on real 100. Cynthia Morgan is real 100.
Okay.
Keep on real. And Cynthia Morgan is an artist that, you know, like creativity is. For me though, creativity no gets limits. So we take out their hand. You get what I mean? So when you're a fan of Cynthia Morgan, if you're not, you should be.
Okay. You should be.
You have to.
Yeah, exactly.
You know.
And you go real. That means you go real.
Yeah, you feel them.
So many people they fake.
No need to fake.
Many people they fake. You know, they want to form say, I don't be bad girl, but they turn up back of the things. You understand? In the lab because you know it's how they talk. You know?
It depends on the definition of the bad girl. Yeah.
No, sometimes.
What can be your own definition for bad girl?
It depends.
No, your own. Each of it depends.
You know, everybody get their own definition.
Exactly.
Yeah, their own definition. Yes, yeah.
So what's your own definition of bad girl?
No, you tell me what's your own definition.
My bad girl definition, a girl will be like, say, she knows how to go. She fit do this one, she fit do that one. But at the end of the day, she still know how to stay safe.
Yeah, that's
so, my own opinion with that. Yeah.
Okay. But so some people tell you, say, man, bad not the new good. You know, so get where you're too good. They say, man, this girl bad.
Yeah, that one.
Another level of badness.
That was joint.
Another one, they will say, I just bad, I bad. You know, and they groove the whole world. And they do every.
Badness gets. They'll get their own different definitions. Okay. When people say Cynthia Morgan is a bad girl, everybody get. When you say Cynthia Morgan is a bad girl, okay, you tell me. No, what do you mean?
No, when I say Cynthia, no, I just say a question I ask you. Not be saying I'll quarrel. You understand?
Not be quarrel. I want to change that for him now. I mean, they interview you now. So me want to know from which angle now they come from. That triangle, I mean now a circle.
Okay.
Where you come from when you go to say a rectangle. Where you come from when you go say Cynthia Morgan a bad girl?
Yes. Well, if I think of Cynthia Morgan as bad girl, I see girl we dey very real. We like I just talked just now say over good they worry. Can't reach where
realist.
They can't say realist.
Realist.
You get so let me have the reason now for because we did this entertainment industry, we know sometimes something what the person they sell, sometimes not what the person really be.
Yeah.
You understand? So sometimes not be say the person fake, but entertainment.
Well, to get the way it be. Normally, not be the way you did for TV. Now you could definitely be for your own self. You get what I mean? True. But my own thing, not be waiting. I the fake now. That's where I am. Even as much as say, okay, normal. I be a very quiet person. Apart from the music angle, but
naturally you're quiet.
I'm quiet. Like everybody get their own side. They get time when they change on for everybody. You know understand? I feel you wake up, just change on for you.
Hey, your turn up, not for your.
You get. So you get sometimes I just they choose. So say, what's the apple? You know, you get. So everybody, as a human being, everybody get their own. Because if you go to the changer, if you go there before your time. So that bad girl, they get limits. They get where they reach. You go understand. Say okay, now film trick. No go they do Jackie Chan for film trick no there. You get what I mean? So everything get limit.
Okay. She don't clear enough for everybody, you understand? So I mean, nobody say good look at say one thing. Okay. But your song, that's your other song. I wanna be with you.
Don't break my heart.
Oh, Cynthia. I fall in love with you for that song.
Oh shit.
Not be joke, you understand? When I got the drive, I got the film.
Where the rose when you can't bring now? Person when they fall in love
no.
with, you'll bring chocolate, you'll bring rose, you'll bring different things. Now mass and they fall in love.
Why
for
when
this
Nigeria girls love the expensive?
Now
like
mass
that
and
too.
they fall in love for
They
this.
give you bill of waiting you will bring.
What do you
because of
feel
say
bad?
fall in love.
Okay now.
Fall in love. So to come for love, it can be like expenditure.
Yes now.
Okay, Cynthia, I know to go happen.
Where you fall from now? Duplex. I've been a skyscraper. Where you fall from?
I that fall from skyscraper. That one expensive. But seriously, that song for me, till now, you go say now your biggest before German Juice. So we cannot say German Juice now a trend everywhere
Yeah,
now. But
it was
that
the biggest,
song,
but I'm taking
self. Yes, it was
taking
because
bad,
you get one girl that they lazy with that. I'm taking can't be like say they use at the show or say it's not only you.
I'm taking.
Like I'm taking.
Right.
Even the one they never take. It was,
if you never take, you take yourself by yourself.
Even
Now.
sometimes when I even go,
You know, say guys, not they like people who they never take.
even guys say when you play, I'm taking. The guys already form, I'm taking. I don't know who can take
Yeah, they
it.
turn up, not be smart.
even the way people take.
You understand?
Not be
I'm
smart.
taking.
I'm taking.
If even girls, when that jam come out, girls will never take, they guys take themselves.
Everybody
Because
just-
you know, say now wait till they come up for market people define. If you see one nice shoe now, hey, they don't buy and finish. Now that's another shoe. Till they say, oh God, I wish I could buy this shoe because they don't buy and finish. So when the girl tell you, say, I'm taking, the price will increase. You say, baby, how can we try to negotiate?
Negotiate the
Yeah,
price.
you
They
understand.
are small now. They
So
won't
if you
know
tell
how
you,
to
say, I'm single, yeah.
that single, people that abuse that single sometimes.
People that abuse that.
Don't be
Say,
lying,
why
don't be
this
lying,
girl, why
don't
you
be
not
lying.
get boyfriend? Oh boy, why I go find the one with get boyfriend?
But since you come from Edo State, Abi?
Yeah, I'm from it.
Hey, I just hear for your pieces just now.
You know, say we be real estate now.
Hey!
keep
Now your
on.
brother with that one.
Oh shit, baddest.
Now your brother with that one.
I
Which
see
side
it.
for Edo State?
Benin now.
Benin.
Yeah.
Hey, not them. Not them. Hey,
I
not them.
see you.
Not them. Oba Tokwe.
About talk about
Oba
people.
Tokwe, he said.
Oh,
he
he
said.
said.
Okay, but we get some pictures of you, and you could explain all the pictures one by each. One by each, one by
Okay.
each. Because
We'll
we
go
go do some kind of scouting things.
One by each,
So, okay,
abi?
one by each, one by each, you understand? So then we drop one for screen. I beg, what did they happen for here? Because when I see this picture, I'm not vexed, so it just pain me, say don't be the guy.
I
But
understand.
what did happen for this place?
Mrs. 3K. Mrs. 2K. That was the video shoot for that Bad Girl special.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
like the video never come out when I put this picture up for Instagram. The picture just cast. They say, hey, what is the song? Wait, Titi, give them. What are you doing with Mr. 2K? This, that, dig, go. I say, yeah, calm
Oh, now
down.
2K, now broad like this from back.
Now 2K.
But from front, you can lean, one kind of lean like that.
Maybe like the camera angle.
Maybe not the camera just, you know, just
You give her more abs.
You just give her
Your
abs from back,
head.
up like she.
You understand?
But me too, they do that kind of work. If you reason your next video, for example, now, you understand?
You be modeler.
I feel just, yeah.
You be model.
Are the model now? If I come on, yeah.
Only you know models.
Are the models? Serious. Not be joke. You understand? If you just consider me for some things, you understand? Just different. I feel just maybe not the one way you want commot cloth, self. I miss the commot cloth. We don't like that for bed.
I don't already shoot that kind of video last year.
Hey, which one you never do now? Just we really do what you never do.
We fit do remix.
Hey.
But then I go come wear cloth.
No.
The original,
no. Okay,
I
now
don't
you
wear
commot
cloth. You fit come cloth.
No, Cynthia, no, you know that was no good like that. You not good like that. I don't like this particular picture now.
Yeah.
See, now one of those bad girl pictures too.
Bad girl, Kingston property.
Sure, Kingston property. Bad girl.
That's not photo shoot now.
Now photo shoot is. Okay, we still got other pictures then back to back. You get one way I know say I see. Okay. This one are from way behind.
It's not
before.
2012.
2012.
Yes.
Yeah, I can remember one song where you do with this guy some years back.
Jibo.
Yes.
2009,
2009,
2010.
I don't know follow you, they can't take you.
Oh,
You
shit.
surprise you. You surprise you.
I chalk prize, not even surprise.
You
You know when you
chalk
chalk prize, it's surprise. Remove the sock.
It's called
Shock.
You think
You can't chalk prize.
shocked you.
Chalk prize.
You know, we
I
don't
don't
every
teach
day
you
for
one
you.
now.
We chalk prize.
So you say, oh boy, listen to that. Not the only say, I chalk
I
prize.
chalk prize. I was chalk prize. You get a picture you put just now, and this one I don't know. There's something that I will talk on live. No, you get on that one before just now, before this one. We'll talk about this one.
Wait. Give
You
them.
get one way. I don't know, Cynthia, there's something about you and putting Bobby up for everywhere for us to. Waiting, I don't know, is your mission not to kill us, or what is the problem?
Well,
I
the
mean, I
mission
say
not be
show
to kill you that shall. I should just collect money for burial. You know, everyone people that people they donate.
But if you like say you did very, very on the confident P with your body and everything.
No shit.
You can't appear for Instagram and see now. But be there behind it because see whether your neck piece look very nice on one thing. I say, you know what they show us, not they cast us like this. See. Meanwhile, they look like what they see, shall not they argue. So no stop, not just be all this all that time. No just stop. They help us, you know. Some people they watch and they help themselves join. We'll not talk about like that.
Okay. Now you talk that one.
All right, we'll get that picture we just showed just now. So Cynthia, you explain to us what thing they happen for that place because your face just did very expressive for that particular picture. It show you just a it just. Won't show the picture now, but no one show us again. Who they use and help yourself for that side? Because you know, say I'm getting men, they plenty for back. They feel they look the old thing now, they don't forget themselves. Now the picture be this one.
Oh, bad. Wait till for the picture. Wait
Easy bit.
Wait till you see.
Wait for this picture. You know when person don't enter that level.
Like she won't go.
Like say he won't come. No. Now different things. So he say go. For my mind, I say maybe no, you won't come. Maybe you won't come our studio side.
Or island.
Island. You know. But that picture, the thing talk. How do they get a dick?
The picture touched you.
It touched me from my mitochondria. You understand? So especially on this
funny
picture.
enough, that picture now, I was just making a face. Everybody take picture, they make face. Nice when I make face. I can't say the picture next. I'm poster. Not going to change them.
Okay, so only your day.
I just did my own.
Just carry a picture. Like
just by myself, just snap picture.
Just enter that trance mode. Because this picture, what would they take?
What do they take?
It's different too. Easy bit. What do they take for that picture? What do they see?
I don't know.
Okay, now go in, Abi.
Maybe now those many times when they go.
Yes.
You know, maybe I just go. Also kind of movement. Yeah. You understand?
Okay. Any which we shall. Don't
they travel.
They travel things. Cynthia now. Now German juice. After this one now, what do they expect to? From Cynthia, because I know say
you know say fire can't cold.
Something.
You know fire can't cold. Can't cold. No.
But no, you hear that one. Fire cannot cold. That be say the ginger not go reduce.
No reduce.
Okay.
Will they come?
So plans don't ground to just thumb things.
Back to back. I don't already work on my album.
Okay.
Then back to back singles here and there, videos they come out.
I could the things for on top Instagram and some social media. This thing. People they say silicate things enter about your body.
Where to be silicate?
Silicone P and everything. Say you go touch some kind of things for your body and everything. But I say even me say I'm not sure. Because the thing they see that here, I see the thing they see, but
you know,
she there here.
People not just concentrate. You go back and look.
Yes.
Look well.
Yeah.
And the same thing when you see, then you go see again. So it's just for you to, say, don't lose focus.
Yeah, don't lose. It's not so easy not to want to lose focus.
Don't lose focus.
Sometimes the focus when you lose, you don't go blame yourself. You just lose the focus.
I feel them. But person they grow now.
Yes.
And even in as much as a person they grow, I don't do anything
extra on top of
I don't know be silly.
Are
you a bagger?
I'm not being silly foul or something. We don't really know any.
I say now you're a bagger.
Okay, but the PB say since I not do any touching things for body, so now don't hear now. She's just doing even the hair. So I beg, so we just carry mask for the whole gist. All right, but so things they unveil very soon, and anytime from now we go here on top. Say we go here. You say you want to do your own tour.
Yes.
Abi very soon. Abi we go follow you.
I did with you.
We'll follow you. We'll follow. Like I tell you earlier, I did dance. I did dance.
How many things you do? Just tell me now. For know your career.
Cynthia, I come out glass for this one. This horse to read. The horse to read. You understand? Because I did do dancer, I did do modeling, I did do video vexing. Everything.
All of video vexing.
Video vexing.
Oh shit.
I did vex for all of the things like this.
Lord.
But any which way, we don't say they hope to hear enough plenty things.
Oh shit.
But quickly we'll go for this break. Okay, and by the time we come back from this break, we'll just do small gaming things with Cynthia to come and find out some other deeper things and every. Okay, so we're not go anywhere. The late night show still continues with your boy Ogbe and of course Easy Beat on the Wheels of Steel and Cynthia Morgan today with us inside the studio. No go anywhere when they come back.